Today is Thursday, June 25th, and you can see that at the open we had a bit of a pop and then immediate drop. So the people that were buying the dip at the open got scalped. Then the buyers stepped in again, another scalp. Buyers stepped in again, trending, another scalp. We finished the day up a little bit higher. There's really nothing in the economy to indicate that this is indicative of a trend. In terms of the McClellan oscillator, we were oversold, so we expected a bit of a pop, and that's what we got. Let's look at volume now, and if we look at our oscillator, we can see a little bit of a pop here. If we look at our stacked volume, which was less than yesterday, but pretty much in line with Monday and Tuesday. Overall volume, advancers really dwarfed the decliners. And the summation index, we really can't see detail here, but what we're looking for is staying above the 4,000 or forming a definite V to give us an outlook for 3 to 6 months out. But this is still a positive indicator for the market 3 to 6 months out. And remember, there's an election coming. But let's just look quickly at the markets. The NASDAQ, let's look at a daily here. Did not form a new high, but still has this cup and a definite handle pattern going here, which would indicate a break to the upside. The volatility index still in our range where we can expect chop. Apple at 365 didn't set a new high, but look where it finished, right at the top of its daily range. So Apple is going higher. Home Depot, little Iron Man hanging man cross here, really nothing there to see. Caterpillar, nothing there to see. JP Morgan, like all the banks had a really great day today, but after hours, because of the Fed's decision to tell banks that they can't issue dividends unless they meet certain criteria on their balance sheets, really throws a bit of a wrench into banks. And if you're holding on to banks, I mean, I'm holding on to a lot of U.S. bank, and if we don't get the third quarter dividend, I'm going to be a little bit ticked off. Facebook, nothing. So overall, today was not a great day. It really wasn't even a day that would give us any indication of what's coming. So in that case, we always go back and we look at our McClellan oscillator, which shows a little bit of a tick above the oversold area. But because of the volume, we really can't learn anything from today. We really want to see volume that exceeds at least this line right here. This is the COVID period here, and look at the volume that we had during COVID, all in here, over 5 million shares. And we haven't really seen that consistently since the end of April. So we need to get back to that volume. But in the meantime, what we're looking at in terms of our limitations is the trend lines that we've drawn, the gaps that exist, and let's just keep an eye on trend lines and gaps.